Hello guys, welcome to my channel SMB Institute. I hope you are all fine. I have a big announcement for you. I am going to start professional planning engineer training using Primavera P6 in English language. It's my privilege to teach you on SMB Institute. Dear students, don't miss this opportunity to learn Primavera P6. I will provide you training from basic to advanced level. Learn skills today and brighten your future tomorrow. Due to my experience in international market, I can confidently advise that those who have good skills are preferred for employment in companies to run their business. Take these classes as physical because you can send me your assignments on daily basis. At the end of this course, you can submit your project on Primavera P6. After this training, you are able to work as planning engineer. Our first priority is to deliver good knowledge and understanding. Many thanks.